Moon Festival, or Mid-Autumn Festival, Tet Chung Tu, is a harvest festival that has evolved into a children's holiday celebrating family, gratitude, and reunion under the full moon. This festival takes place on the full moon of the night of the 15th of the 8th lunar month, which is officially on Monday the 6th of October, but we gather here today to celebrate together in our community as we approach Moon Festival. We have got a wonderful assembly full of amazing performances, and we're going to start now with our Year 4, 5 and 6 students who are going to take to the stage for their dance, Li Bak Bo.